see.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Cek.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't
Cek
give
satu.
nobody no sympathy. I'd take
Halo,
away the
selamat
pain,
siang.
give you everything. I just wanna see when
Bây giờ giúp đẹp giang, lên mừng là đẹp giang. Jadi sama suara. Halo, halo, cek, cek. Halo, halo, cek, cek. Cek, halo. Ada pangjab. Oke, kenapa dijual ini? Bohong nih foto bot gini sih, foto bot iPad. Ada pangjab. Oke, kenapa dijual ini?
it go in, out, go slow. Baby, you a star, strike.
Ntar lu, suara kemana sih ya?
With you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Bobby, pound, wrist, roll.
Ntar lu guys, ntar lu guys.
On the way.
Ah, kita setting nih. Cek, cek. Halo, halo, cek 1 2 3, cek. Oke ya, sedikit noise saja. Adi Streamlab karena OBS Cang ke ban anjir. Bangke. OBS Cang ke ban anjir. Bangke. OBS Cang ke ban anjir. Oh, ini kan gemar kan lah. Ntar dulu guys. Bingung caranya ngeplay gitu. Oh, di Live 2. Halo, halo, cek 1 2 3. Ada noise good. Oke. Sebentar ya. Kita coba dulu. Filter. Add filter. That's good.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I'll give you everything.
Cek 1 2 3 cek.
I just wanna see rain, mercy.
Baman.
I can't lie, I trust you, I love you. I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress
Bersih.
you out. I'm not even
Oke. Sok-sok nyetek ya padahal saya kalau ada balik. Pisang dulu ya, gabut hari ini live. Play ruat san mau live gen ruat no. TikTok Studio saya ada OBS ke band padahal pengajuan izin keterima minggu lalu tapi barusan ngecek hilang band nih, harus ngantos 7 hari marang udah di ngajuang band. Untung last stream live buat backupan live. Pak, live promosi yang tab channel apa tab channel iPad apa? Halo teman-teman yang perlu iPad, bisa chat ini ya, Aris ini ya, dia mau jual iPad. Outputnya passing nah, semoga nggak kegedean. Dong Apple apa man? Oke, selamat weekend teman-teman. Hari ini udah hari Sabtu. Cuaca di Bangle lumayan dingin, jadi pakai jaket dulu ya. Selamat datang yang baru bergabung. Yang bingung kemudian tanya ini nah. Live saja ya. Tar dulu. Nggak ngerayain girlfriend Dewi Just Clay nggak punya girlfriend teman-teman, nggak punya cewek, tolong cariin. Oh ya, kita juga udah live juga double di YouTube guys, jangan lupa subscribe YouTube-nya Tarunyan dulu ya. Kita live double versi vertikal, bisa kalian cari di YouTube Tarunyan. Ini YouTube-nya. Anjay. Nah, asik. Subscribe malu subscribe. Live di ini oh. Halo. Kita live double guys. Mbak live over TV kan dan gabut kleng kawang. Nggak ada yang mau nih. Lu ngedit tapi bingung edit apa. Apa tab job saya datang main nak ya bu. Apa tab sini payu promosi sih. Mari mengobrol guys, menemani malam kalian yang gabut. Xiaomi Pad 6. Oke 6 juta nego kan tip ayo guys, Xiaomi Pad 6 siapa yang mau? Makan kebab dulu ya. Belum makan nih. Bonus banyak. Live di IG ngedang cara TikTok bisa. Cuma ragu sih yang connect nih gitu. Hijau-hijau ya dah. Coba tambah nah IG dah. Tahu. Kan jalan nah. Be harus ngulang. Nah next time lah coba. Live di IG juga. Jangan shoot tekan shootnya TikTok Studio. Ruat aja ke live. Sampai bareng agensi TikTok taruh menyan pangidang man stream ki. Terusnya dulu ada backup buat live pakai Mac. Ada OBS, habis itu Streamlab kedua, ketiga baru Streamkey. Ada misi agensi, iyalah, pangman Streamkey bos. Itu sing man Streamkey cang. Lanjut kuliah, nyan kuliah, cang sing kuliah bro. Cang sing misi agensi man Streamkey sing metakon cang bro. Woi nah woi. Pak spill nih sayang oh. Loadnya Loadnya ini Menci mas Streamkey live chứ luôn á lu bro, live chứ bù rẻ ki. Ini folder load yang kita pakai teman-teman, ada banyak load. Yang paling sering dipakai yang ini. Ini yang sering dipakai. Kalau mau tahu hasilnya cek aja di VT kita banyak. Kapan Mang Wi andep lagi tahun depan sesat live ngadok webcam dalam jangka kamera. Bendok aja. Kamera utama jarjang live. I just need to work out some way of getting me to you, 'cause I'll never find love like ours out here in a million years. A million years. My location unknown, trying to find a way back home. Ngumpulin Bayu, halo, ngumpulin Bayu bingung kok kayak apa? Coba setting Streamlab dulu ya. Apa kan tadi yang Pak sekarang ngajang ke bab demen atau asik. Wi Aris ganteng. Di Aris ganteng teman-teman yang mau beli iPad, beli Xiaomi Pad. Ini ada orang yang mau jual beliin ya. Pak starting soon. Kita cek. Ya. Oke. Eh, sorry ya, nu benyah ya. Nu benyah belum nyeting. Aku nih masih bawaan Streamlab gratis. Belum nyeting nih, masih bawaan semua teman-teman. Mewali. Ada plugin di Steam tuh Cang Sap. Plugin apa tuh? Oh, main Cang balik tuh. Bak jani streaming TikTok aku ane panganah komen nih. Ada di ini asal Cang di OBS tapi tuh plugin nih. Tapi Cang di Steam mau ada di download stream apa ada nih nah. Kalau Cang OBS lah mau live TikTok tuh pakai stream elemen juga plugin nih. Tapi kalau OBS tuh pakai plugin sih harus nge-stream. Ya Streamlab ya langsung include basic kan ya software nih. Langsung bisa semua. Kalau misalnya ke pakai OBS perlu banyak plugin tambahan. Tapi emang OBS paling ringan. So guys, ada komen nih komen tapi ini YouTube nih. Oh nih TikTok nggak bisa kelihatan komennya. Berarti cuma bisa YouTube aja. Gak ada yang nonton ya guys ya, bisa dilihat. Benarnya patuh OBS jalannya sesuai kebutuhan ngidang sesuai. Asik itu dia. YouTube kita juga live teman-teman, semoga aman ya. Nonton review DJI Osmo es teh kan beli nak esek ki beli esek yang lo ngantuk kan install. Cocok sing tuh, cocok apanya? Ya cocok gen sing sih. Sekian ya. Encang reviewer. Gila, ternyata. Nena dok. Saya adanya nyewa Cang nyilih. Ya nyilih pasti ada. Udah nih. Cang ini bon nah. Streamlab di OBS. Akses dicabut Nah, scroll live chẳng. Kayak ini ya, harusnya live di OBS tapi nggak bisa karena akses dicabut. Kita pakai Streamlabs hari ini. Kita mau cek harga DJI DJI 360. 7,5. Karena kayaknya karena apa? 7 juta plus. Wih, siap wih. Wow, wih, wow. Emosi beli nih. Oh no. Tuang wae nyeting live di OBS yang tadi anggo bolon. Bingung padahal jangan kebutuhannya untuk apa nah, lifestyle dan education. Senang genre ini ada milih-milih tuh di awal. Cuma dah lupa. Dah minggu lalu nyeting no. Kalau legend bot nih kena mungkin ruwet pikir. Karena sesuai. Gabut ciki. Tadi santesan hidup ciasana terus on TikTok kan. Tapi long nih TikTok kini kita tuh kayaknya ngepep, kita nggak kedetek. Awas yang sih nganggo software di luar TikTok Studio tuh nggak kedetek ya. Men kudiang pengangguran plus jomblo. Padahal bos klik kamera ini semeton. Yang mau nyewa kamera bisa ke Aris ini ya. Kok bangko kameranya? Nyalo. Lah baterai, sorry. Tunggu dulu. Sabar. Oke. Ini bang ngejek kamera webcam 200 kacang. sorry wih, itu bercanda aja ya. Pakai kamera 73. Ntar dulu ini kelihatan. Nah. Oke. Cek. Kok kayak ada garis gitu nah? Nah lo nang HDMI Cang. Bona? Oh bobo. Oke. Banyak cenek gitu YouTube nganggo Arc. Dia browser kayak Google, tapi khusus Apple kayaknya. Gini lah. Mungkin caranya ngatasi. Jitter.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. It's a bop, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody. No
Webcam 200k. Webcam elek, webcam elek. Tunggu. Sing lah pipis. Sing lah kecer beliang nak isi.
baby, you a star, straight goes, and I'm everything goes. Coming
Mau modep. Amar lu PC. Halo, nang idanya lekor nih. Ye. Tunggu ya. Taruhnya Workspace 2.0 nih nanti.
Settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. What are you coming for?
Wah. BPW can numpang ya, Det. Oke, tunggu lagi 10 hari jadi dah. Minggu ini kita proses yang berubah ngilangan kasur gen biar jadi full tempat ngedit, biar nggak rebahan gen sebelah kita ngedit. Kalian perlu beli HDMI nih lowongan nih deh. Lencang beli HDMI 80.000 nih, penting mah kado. Iya mah kado gitu. Lindi itu tawang ci merek HDMI 400.000 seci. Kayak nih loh.
anything.
I got a heart and I got a soul.
Tunising, tuning kan?
Believe me, I will use them both.
Ini nggak gitar
We
ya.
met a star, beautiful as one.
Nana, selamat berkelana.
I don't want
Kalian selamat malam dan terima kasih sudah menemani Darwinyan live.
to kiss me where I lay down.
Alon ki alon.
Hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both told the same thing. To be loved and to be loved, all I can do is say that these arms are meant for holding you. I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18. We took a chance, God knows we tried, yet all along I know we'd be fine. So pour me a drink, oh love, let's split the night wide open, and we'll see everything we can, leaving love in slow motion. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both taught the same thing. To be loved and to be loved, all I can do is say that these arms are meant for holding you. I wanna love like you make me feel when we were 18. So kiss me where I lay down, my hands pressed to your cheeks, a long way from the playground. I have loved you since we were 18, long before we both taught the same thing. To be loved and to be loved, all I can do is say that these arms are meant for holding you. I wanna love like you make me feel when we were 18. Yeah, when we were 18. Started as friends, but it got kinda complicated. You knew that you didn't want more, but you never said out loud. Maybe I didn't read through all of your lines. We started as friends, but we're just strangers tonight. And when I think about you, it still hurts. My heart still has scars I need to learn. It was only temporary, but I guess our feelings things were good for a while. Now you're just a memory, a story that I never tell. 'Cause our world just didn't collide. You had yours and I had mine. Got lost in a different direction, but being with you was my favorite lesson. Used to dream about growing a future, but we grew apart. I lied to myself 'cause the truth hurts to know where you are right now. And when I think about you, it still hurts. My heart still has scars I need to learn. It was only temporary.